This is your typical Rubicon 3.6 liter Gladiator. Lead us up on our standard 3.5-inch Teraflex lift with Falcon shocks, basically built for the Canadian wilderness.
Brought to you by Epic Adventure Outfitters.
Oh, got her.
Played bocce ball off what is that, commercial and
Oh, the long bowling club?
yeah.
Yeah. There might be an age limit there. That's quite neat.
Maybe, you never know.
That's unfortunate.
This is your typical Rubicon 3.6 liter Gladiator. It's rare because it actually has LED headlights and fog lights.
Oh, it has LED. Okay.
I know it has LED headlights. These elusive things that have been back ordered for centuries.
It's here.
We basically just threw this up on our standard 3.5-inch Teraflex lift with Falcon shocks, basically built for the Canadian wilderness, with a set of Baja Boss MTs, also a tire that's usually out of stock half the time.
Yeah.
So this is a perfect, nice white vehicle. It's going to usually look clean.
Yeah,
You won't see the scratches from the tree.
Yeah, white stands up to scratches, which is nice.
I think it's a pretty good start.
Yeah.
Or you can just hide in a big snow pile, whatever you want to do.
Cool.
I don't judge.
And this truck will be where?
This truck will be down at White Rock Dodge in about an hour.
In about an hour. Cool.
Looking for an epic Jeep? Give us a call.
Hey guys, Sean here from the Story Till Now. As you guys know, Epic Adventure Outfitters is one of the biggest supporters of our whole adventure crew. Me, Casey, and Teddy all get our crazy stuff like Hemi swaps and lift kits, everything done here. Everything that Epic carries is top end and it's all tested by the Ginger and his crew. This includes the Epic Kraken air inflation system, things like trailhead deflators, metal cloak and Rebel off-road parts, Epic swag, and more. All of this is available on the new Epic online store at epic-4wd.com. We ship all over Canada and the United States. And if you click on the link in the description, it actually helps support my channel and my adventures, which I appreciate. Check it out, guys.